We've got the floppy cable itself, which needs to go on the header here. It looks correctly positioned to me. Of course, floppy power here. There's a grommet to protect the power cable. So really the next step is the floppy unit itself, which is this little box right here. And it's got 4 mounting screws up along the top and a few more. So I'm going to back this screw out that I used to attach this ground lead here. And I think the ground lead's going to get attached here instead. This has got the shield on it for the keyboard cable. So we've got 4 screw holes along the top. We've got 2 more deep inside, and this one that actually do get screwed to the metal body here. And this kind of floats up here in the air a little bit. So it's really just going to be work these into place as best I can. Again, not tighten anything up so that bits and pieces can be moved around. So let's see. Let's see if I can get the screwdriver to magnetize enough to actually hold the screw. That's a little better. And if I can pick the case up enough to see down in there. There we go. There's enough to reattach the floppies. Data cable goes on. Might be easier to get power in there first. Gets power to the floppy drives. The motherboard's connected. Keyboard's connected, even though we are twisting up the cable. And I think that's the assembly we're going to do in this video. So I'll wrap this one up here, and I'll see you in the next video.